I am making this request to all of you to treat both your boys and the girls the same way. Excepting, barring physical restrictions, I don't think either in intelligence or in bravery can you ever think that women are lesser than boys in any way. So keeping these few words in mind, my earnest request to all of you would be, support your girl child. Do not let your girl child down. Remember that nature has also been mother nature and never father nature. So world begins from a woman. Now realizing the fact that woman is the force behind everything, I would also request all the girls seated in this auditorium today, never ever look down on yourselves. Realize that you have latent talents lying within you. Realize that you can be a force to reckon with tomorrow. And realizing these facts, I would pray and request to each one of you sitting here to take a step forward with bravery, not only bravery, but with great confidence, not only confidence, but with self-confidence also. And through this podium, from this podium, I would like to voice my appreciation to DMI for having organized such a wonderful meeting today, a gathering today, which is very much wanted to bring in realization within the girls. And Christian missionaries, as we all know, have been doing wonderful job with regards to social work and have been working for social cause. I am also a product of a Christian missionary school, Church Park Presentation Convent, and I take great pride in saying that I have been educated in a Christian missionary school because I have been taught service to people from the school, because school is the place where we actually begin to learn things. So once again, voicing my appreciation to DMI for having organized this wonderful gathering here today, and thanking everybody for having given me this wonderful opportunity. And especially I would like to thank Sri G.K. Vasanji for having given me the opportunity for sharing the dais with Sri Karunanidhi ji, who's nothing lesser than a father figure to me, because the relationship that my father had with Karunanidhi ji is something very precious to us and something immemorable. Therefore, I thank each one of everybody here for having given me this wonderful opportunity to be a part of this wonderful show. Thank you all.